Love it. Let's get some twine. We're going to do this very, very simple. All right, we're just going to do a twine. Good evening, my friends. How are you? Come on into the workshop at the craft room. You may hear some boys in the background. We have Parker here. He's got one of his friends here. They're video gaming down here. Come on in. My name is Beth. I am here. You are named on the Ruffle Daisy, where I help you craft your story through the things that we learn through creating, through creativity, through inspiration, through all of the things. And so I'm so glad you're here. Come on in and tell me hello. If you are watching on the replay, you can still tell me how excited I love to say hello to you and welcome you in and say hi again. How are you guys? It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. We have a snow day today. No school. Hey Dixie, how are you? We have a snow day today. No school. And they don't have school tomorrow or Friday for parent teacher conferences, and then they don't have school on Monday for President's Day. So he's got almost a whole week off of school now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So if you are on our texting list, a wildflower butterfly shelf sitter that can go into it, or the wildflowers go into the butterfly. It's so cute. It is almost like Milky White. It is almost like Milky White. We'll just go ahead and use the rest of the Milky White. That'll be good. Happy birthday week. I know Parker likes to tease that I have birthday months instead of days, and I'm not gonna lie, I used to. So this is a little bit of a layer color. I just didn't have another one to make a second coat, so our bottom layer is just gonna act like a base coat. So. And I probably got too much on now. Do you guys ever have those? I feel like I'm going on months now, just months of feeling like I just don't have anything together. And you guys have to tell me I'm not alone in that. I hope not. All right, that is a good second coat. That's gonna look so good when we sand it down. I do have a great moderator. Let's go ahead and do our toffee. This is gonna be so cute. I think it's gonna be just a different vibe with the grass around it. I'm super excited about the grass around it. I think dry brush and part number. Yeah, Kim was gonna say, there's a lot right there. Actually, we maybe should just, no, I like the stain look. I don't know what I want to do. And let's see. Here. This is, I did it backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do y'all guess? Okay. Oh my goodness. I can't get it to where you guys can see it well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll hold this for a little bit, okay? What color should we do the floral stem? Okay, it's this floral. Hey Brenda, how are you? Deb, but Brenda's my pink pen. I can show you. I don't think I can find it right now, but it is in my Amazon shop. If you just comment Amazon shop, all one word, it will bring up my Amazon. So I'm basically doing a second coat on all of this now, just so it's a little bit higher, okay? And it's cleaner when you use paint markers. So if you don't want to get all messy, use paint markers. Is that for my E? Under the leaves? Where? I have an E here. Yes, they are. I'll have to try to work for you. There you go. It's upside down, right? Well, screenshot that if you want it. It is in my shop though. I'm good, Benita. We're just a medium deep purple. Yes, Robin. Oh, that one's good. Actually, it's probably too dark. This is like a golden color. So we're gonna go back over this when it's dry with a light. That's too dark. Yeah, that's one thing I don't have. Y'all, we can buy so many things to play with when we're crafting. There are a million different kinds of paint pens, watercolor pencils. Oh my goodness. Speaking of talking to myself, my husband and I, that has caused an argument between us quite a bit. And right now he's quite frustrated with me. He's like, Beth, you get mad because I'm not listening to you. But then when I'm like, are you talking to me? You're like, no, I'm just talking to myself. So I like, don't know if you're talking to yourself. I don't know if you're trying to talk to me. Like, I don't want to get mad. I'm just like, whatever, it's fine. All right, so let's do sanding on this. Let's do it. Except where's my sander? Here's my sandpaper. Do you ever have those days where you just want to go back to bed? Today's been like one of those days. Tried to record a video this morning. Oh, there it is. Let's just throw it. Tried to record a video this morning for the VIP group, and the volume was wacky. Not sure why, but it was. And then just a day where you just want to go back to bed. Yes, it is hard. Yep, it is hard. You are definitely either, for the most part, a designer or a sewer. Yeah, or a designer or a maker, I guess. Do whatever it is. Totally depends on the look you're going for. Okay. Is the other one? The other cross one is not this tall. So there's another one that is just a cross in florals, and it is an 8x10 sign. Yep, it's an 8x10 sign. Now be careful when you sand this piece, because it can break. I don't want it to break on you. Yeah, the other cross is an 8x10 sign. Oh, look, here's my glasses. That was really cool. Oh, now it's working beautifully. Just be a little bit impatient. We're glue down there. Oops, that one might have to Glitter always gets to wrap your right while sitting first. Like it is. I think we're gonna squeeze a little bit more down. Mostly because of our S's. They're really close. But it's probably so high that we're just gonna put a little bit down in there. Will you post with all your color choices listed? I can. I just need to Let's get some paint on our brush here. And then let's just go around the edge. And we're just, oops. It is very soft looking, isn't it, Debbie? All right, I love it. Let's get some twine. We're going to do this very, very simple. All right, we're just going to do a twine bow. That is it. Super, super simple. Oh, I have twine out already. We are just going to do... You can't see how to find stuff like that in your shop? Here, this is the link to this direct one. Okay, Robin? That's the link to this particular piece. And then you can see all kinds of other stuff in there too. But use the coupon code if you're going to grab this. Use the coupon code LIVE, L-I-V-E, until midnight. Because then you can get this 10% off. Okay, so you get 10% off. Just until midnight. Oil would be really pretty.